Hey guys, Taylor Affordable One. We're out here right now around the energy corridor and checking out one of our old customers' grandparents' roofs. Kind of doing a courtesy for them, and we're finding some things. Just kind of show y'all what the hell looks like that hit. You see all the splatter, all the little white marks. There's gonna be little hail hits. And you got these. You got some big hail hits. Go around, check the soft metals. This one fared better than others. And you see all the little white spots. These are hail impacts. Over here they have about golf ball size hail. All the oxidation on vents. This is stuff you can see from the ground, guys. This is kind of how you can tell if you need to call us or not. Wind damage there. You see how big some of this stuff is. I got big hands, and we're talking about up to 2 inches right here. You see all these white marks, all hail impacts. And we always find some other stuff up here, like a nice water entry point. So there's a leak, we're gonna kind of be able to pinpoint where it's coming in at. Some bad repairs. And then over here, it looks like it got a little bit worse. So you're looking at this, all these marks where hail impacted, pushed into the mat, backed up on the decking, and created a hail bruise. And then you look at these soft metals. This got pretty tore up. Again, it's pretty big hail. Like we'll see all the little white spots. Luckily, this tree broke it up into little smaller pieces, but these higher slopes of skate. Just kind of look. It's a nice cluster. We're finding this in Friendswood, Webster, around the Beltway I-10 area. Let's see, Cinco Ranch got sat on for about 30 minutes by a hail cell and just dropped up to 3-inch hailstones. Up in Humboldt, towards the Woodlands, kind of 6 different areas of Houston got hit pretty hard. So give us a call, 832-639-4450. You can always send us a message on Facebook, and we'll get somebody in your area over to you to kind of at least give you peace of mind if you don't know if you're hit by the hail. If you had the hail above you that day, it's pretty obvious. You probably know it dinged up some vehicles and a little bit of everything. A good way to tell: check your window beading for little circles on the window beading around your vinyl windows. Your gutters, that's a soft metal. Check the little dents about eye level, and then leaves in the sidewalk. If you came out Saturday morning, so nothing but leaves covering your roof and sidewalk, that's not from the wind. This wasn't a wind event. That's the hailstones chopping through the trees and just kind of bringing down everything it could with it. There's some areas that you can't even see the sidewalks and streets just because they had so much hail and tree coverage. But there's little things that you can check for yourself to see if you need to call us. But either way, get the peace of mind, give us a call, and we'll get out there and take care of you.